Hey, so I just got my Amazon package. I just ordered from A+ Medics, and it just came in for my Suture Practice kit. So I just wanted to kind of unbox it and show you guys what you get in this if you ordered it too. I just got it for $39 and it came in 2 days with my Amazon Prime. So let's see what we have in it. All right, so right when you open it up, all of the sutures just came out. It's a little thank you card first, but then we have 3 different packs of sutures. They're all the same actually. They're the nylon filament ones, 4O. So each little pack comes with 4 each. So we have 3 packs of 4, that would be 12 packs of sutures. They're the non-absorbable kind, which is fine for practicing your sutures like this. Okay, and then next I pull out is this little case. So it's a sturdy case. It says A+ Medics on it, and it has a zipper, which is really nice for travel so that everything stays inside. So you open it up, and then you have your skin to practice on, and then all of your different tools. So this is really nice. This strap will keep it nice and sturdy. This cover will keep all dirt off of it if you were to get any on it. And then this flap to keep all your tools separate and not puncturing your skin. So this is really cool. Let's open this up. All right, so first we have the skin. Like I said, comes in this little case. Okay, this is cool. So it has like the pre-done incisions on it, so that we have different ones, and that way we can practice different stitches on it. It's like a gel-like material. It's squishy. It kind of moves almost like real skin, so it's a pretty good example to practice on. It'll give us a pretty realistic feel. And then what's cool, because I haven't seen this on other suture kits, is on the back, it has this hard back with little grips on it to help it kind of stay more sturdy. I don't really like the ones that have the gel on the back as well. Those get really dirty. So this is really cool, really realistic. It feels really good. Okay, then next we have all of our tools in here. So flip this part open. All right, and here we have our forceps. This is our scalpel handle. It also comes with, it looks like 3 scalpel blades, which is nice. Just in case one breaks or you want to use a fresh one, you have 3. Then we have our curved forceps. These feel like really good quality. Oh, they're kind of hard to open. All right. There we go. They feel like really good quality, nice and sturdy. They're not flimsy. So you can see the curved. And then we have, they close nicely too. Then we have our regular needle driver, our straight one. Same thing, feels nice and sturdy. Closes good too, no problem there. And then we just have our surgical scissors. These feel good too. Open and close really smooth. And so those are the supplies you get. Everything fits really easily back into the case. And this is perfect for traveling. If you're a student or someone who maybe just doesn't always have time to practice in your house, you can kind of bring this on the go. Easily zipper, close it back up. And there you have it. So that's everything that comes in the kit.